Hi, hi, hi. How is everyone today? How are you doing? Hope you are really, really well. For anybody who doesn't know me, I'm Lisa. I am the Singing Sensey Lady. I am one half of Elegant Essences, which I run with my gorgeous daughter, Sapphire. I wanted to hop on today just to, first of all, to say hello. Hope you're enjoying the sunshine. It's very sunny right in my face. I'm sat on the floor in my conservatory. So some of you know that I had an open day at the weekend, which was flipping awesome. Had so much fun. Lots of people came round, had a good old sniff through all our fragrances, chatted about all the products and drank lots of coffee and generally put the world to rights, which was amazing. And I also had on display an example of what you would get if you started your own Scentsy business this month. Now, this month is a particularly fantastic join kit, because this month, on top of what you would normally get in our join kit, you get 10 free bars of wax, and they are the 10 new fragrances that are coming on the 1st of March, so coming on Wednesday. So you get them for free, okay? Normally they wouldn't be part of this join kit, but they are, so it is super duper exciting. So very quickly, I'm hoping you can see, if I just sit slightly to the side, what is in the join kit. I have actually got it written down because I shan't remember it all if I don't look. So you get one of our gorgeous etched core warmers, and that is this one just here. It's not currently switched on, but it is so pretty. So it's like a textured warmer. It's got a light in it, so it's powered by a light bulb, and then you pop your wax in the top. So it's a little etched core warmer. It's just super cute and goes in with any decor. You would get a bar of sea salt and avocado wax, which is one of my favorite bars. I love that fragrance. I particularly love it in our fragrance flowers. That's the one I always go to in the fragrance flowers. You get the 10 bars. Now let's see if I can do it. I did a live not long ago and I managed to hold all of them. Managed to hold all 10. I might not manage it this time, but you get, without dropping everything, all 10 bars of the new fragrances. Wow. Now these on their own are worth £72.50. Look at all that. £72.50, and you get all that as part of the join kit. So that is flipping incredible. The join kit itself is £85 plus postage. So to get these as part of the kit is amazing. And you've already got a warmer and another bar of wax. So you can see how good this kit is. I'm going to try and put them on the floor without cascading them absolutely everywhere. And no, I didn't. I cascaded them. So there we go. You've got all those bars of wax. You then have, now you have a mini fan diffuser. So this is one of our mini fan diffusers, but you'll have it in a slate colour. So a different colour to this one, but this is just an example. These are powered by USB. So you pop on a USB lead, power it up. The little fan goes round inside, and then you pop in a pod. And you get a pack of pods in Amazon Rain, which is super duper, really fresh. Smells good. So you get 2 pods in a pack. So you get a pack of pods to go in your mini fan to share and show people who might be interested in buying them off you, or just have for yourself, whatever you want to do. You also get in vanilla mint, you get a counter clean. I love our counter clean. Use this absolutely flipping everywhere. So you get a counter clean. You get a hand soap and a hand cream, both of which will be in Make Splash fragrance. So I haven't got the right fragrances, but I can at least show you what you get. So you get these in Make Splash. You get one of our fabulous car bars, and you'll get that in Amazon Rain. I've got it in my favourite fragrance just here, Pink Sugarberry Mint. Love it, absolutely love it. So you get a car bar. You get tester pots. So you get the current season tester pots like this. There's over 80 fragrances in there that you can sniff your way through and share with family and friends. And you also get another bag which is full of next season. So starting on the 1st of March, so you get this bag which has next season's fragrances in as well. So you get both lots of fragrances. So that's super exciting. You then get lots of business tools. So you will get I've got one somewhere. Oh, there it is. You will get a pack of catalogues. You'll get some fragrance stickers. You get order forms. You get postcards. You get all sorts of little leaflets. I've got various things out. Oh, you get some of these little felt shapes to make samples with. There is so much. Oh, and I mustn't forget this, because you get a rather fabulous bag as well, just to pop it all in. Look at that. And it's insulated, so you can keep all your waxes in there nice and safely. So all of that comes in our kit this month. Okay, so you literally have 2 days left. Just 2 days to get this amazing, amazing join kit. It is so good, I can't tell you. But also, if you join us, you will get support from myself, support from our whole team, so that's Team Essences. We are all there. We have our own Facebook group, which is all about motivation, inspiration and support. So we are there to look after each other, to help each other out, to give each other's ideas, and just generally be there for each other. We sometimes have in-person meetings, we have online meetings, and of course there's also big Scentsy events that you can go to as well, and we always try and get to them, so you're all there as part of our team as well. And it is just so much fun. If you love home fragrance, and particularly if you love Scentsy and you love getting your Scentsy fix every single month, if you get excited about getting your new fragrances, then you should join. You should run your own Scentsy business, because you will get commission just on your own orders as well as anybody else's orders you put through. And you can earn freebies and you can earn half prices. I just cannot tell you how much fun it is. Sapphire and I have been running our Elegant Essences business nearly 4 years. It will be 4 years in May, and we have had an absolute flipping ball. Absolutely love it. I'm not saying there's never ups and downs. With any business, there is ups and downs. But again, we're all there to support each other and help each other out and just give each other a bit of moral support should you need it. So there we go. I just wanted to share how incredible the join kit was. Let me show you those waxes one more time. Here we go. There's 5. I can't pick them up. There's the other 5. So they come free. I said I was going to drop them. They come free with the kit this month. It is that good. All right, my lovelies, I am going to get off. I will speak to you all very, very soon. If you would like any more details, pop me a message. I will pop the link in this post as well, so you can have a little look for yourself. Take care. Mwah. Loads of love. Bye.